As our nation unfolds myriads of innovations and advancements in numerous fields, Nhpc Limited is pioneering hydropower with its extensive portfolio of hydropower projects. One such hydropower project under construction is Teesta Stage 6 Hydroelectric Project, a run-of-river scheme on Teesta River Basin. The project is located in Sirvani village of Sikkim. The project has an installed capacity of 500 MW with 4 numbers units of 125 MW each. Teesta Stage 6 Hydroelectric Project is the last of the 6 projects in cascade development to harness the hydropower potential of Teesta River in the state of Sikkim. The major components of the project are a concrete barrage on the river, a head regulator, 2 desilting basins, 2 intakes to draw water into the water conductor system, 2 head raised tunnels for conveying water from the barrage to the powerhouse, 2 numbers surge shafts, 4 numbers pressure shafts, an underground powerhouse for housing the machineries to generate electricity, a transformer cavern, 4 numbers tail raised tunnels, and a surface pot head yard. The barrage is 105 meters wide and 26.5 meters high. The water in excess of the requirement of power generation shall be passed through spillway bays, regulated by radial gates. The barrage has been designed to pass a flood of 11,600 cubic. A conventional stilling basin type energy dissipation arrangement has been provided with a length of 75 meters and an end sill at its downstream end. Water shall enter the head regulator structure, which will lead the water to the 2 desilting basins to remove the silt from water. There are 2 intake structures in the downstream of desilting basin to divert the water into head raised tunnels. Each head raised tunnel is 13.76 kilometers long, modified horseshoe shaped. The water flows through these head raised tunnels to the powerhouse through the pressure shafts, the main inlet valve cavern. The water then passes through the turbines, draft tubes and then tail-raised tunnels, which discharges the water back into the river. The underground powerhouse of Teesta 6 project is located on the right bank of river Teesta. The powerhouse houses 4 generating units of 125 megawatts each. The powerhouse complex comprises of 3 underground caverns, namely Powerhouse Cavern, Transformer GIS Cavern and MIV Cavern, tail raised tunnels, main access and ventilation cable tunnels, and a surface pot head yard. To isolate the machine from the water conductor system, MIV has been provided in the upstream just adjacent to the machine hall. When the main inlet valve opens, water in the penstock starts to flow through spiral case, stay vanes, guide vanes and the Francis type runner. The runner is coupled to the turbine shaft, which in turn is coupled to generator lower shaft and to rotor. When the water flows through runner, it starts rotating, thereby rotating turbine shaft, generator lower shaft and the rotor. The rotor develops a rotating magnetic field, which in turn develops voltage in generator stator windings. Water after passing through the runner is channelized through the draft tube and tail raised tunnels. The generator of Teesta 6 has MVA rating of 138.89 and the generating voltage of 11 kV. The generator transformers step up the generating voltage from 11 kV to 220 kV. GIS is used as switching system to connect the generating units with pothead yard and 220 kV transmission lines. Power generated from the project is evacuated through a 220 kV double circuit transmission lines of 12.5 km approx length up to the PGCIL pooling station at Rangpo. After electricity is generated, water flows back into the river through the tail raised tunnels. The project has an estimated completion cost of Rs 5,748.04 crores at July 2018 price level.